Hello, everybody. Yes, today. Oops, I dropped the grommet. Today we're gonna install Unistrut for our solar panels on our roof. Yes, on our roof. Alright, you see, you need something to connect these two together. They make these little things that go right down the groove to connect. Yeah, just like that. About halfway. Solid piece. Now, getting this tracking on right here onto the thing, I found that just getting it hooked onto one place and then adjusting it a little bit is the easiest way to do it when you're by yourself anyway. So I'm going to just try to hook this one at the bottom right here. Easy.
My love, should we wash them first? Or do you want me to just send them up to you?
You can wash them up here or put them up.
Okay. Ready? Okay, here we go. Okay. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. No, there. Got it? 3,000. Having fun on the roof again, my love. Yes, your favorite place to be. So we have panel 1, 2, and 3 put up. Yay. And the wall is kind of like getting there. Yes. So what do you think about the solars?
It's pretty awesome.
I love them. I especially love the blue on the blue feature.
The blue and the blue and the blue and the blue.
Yeah. And you're wearing blue, and there's a blue sky. Everything is blue.
Yes.
Yoo-hoo.
I didn't show you the clamps that you clamp down the solar panels. It holds two of them together, so they go in the middle as thus and as thus, and it goes in the track and locks in as little TT things. It goes in there and locks in, and then it holds it down. Alright. Alright, guys, look. All three of these panels are up there. Just as such. I'll take a picture of them, a video of them on the house and how the house looks down there. I haven't even seen yet how it's going to look with these solar panels on there, but I'm pretty excited. So anyways, pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Let me show you in between here. They're off the roof a little bit, so you have some working area. There's my wires down in there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But yes, my wires, I'll connect to those and then hook to the inverter, charge controller, whichever way I decide to go on this. So that's upcoming, so you'll have to wait and find out exactly what how I'm going to hook this up. Y'all know me. It's going to be different. Alright, let me show you downstairs, and then we'll catch you on the next video. Different. Alright, let me show you downstairs, and then we'll catch you on the next video. Oh my goodness. Looks incredible.